Hi everyone, it's Jolene. It is Les Mills Combat Week 7, Day 4. And today, is Shock Plyo, which because I'm doing the Ultimate Hybrid schedule, I have not done that one in a while. So, surprise, surprise. And then I returned to the Les Mills Combat Core Attack after taking a break from that and doing the core workout from Pump. I decided to come back to Core Attack. And just like I thought would happen, I did a lot better. My form was better. I still couldn't get through every single exercise. But boy, did I make it through a lot more than I did when I tried to start, when I started Combat weeks ago and tried to do Core Attack. So I'm feeling really good today. I thought that I would be a little more transparent. How much more transparent can you be, Jolene? Transparent and vulnerable with you today. Because I realize I can give off the impression that I don't struggle. I'm on Fit with Joe, encouraging people, asking tough questions, calling people out on the carpet for their fads and their excuses. I'm in challenge groups, posting articles that I think are informative and that can help you make changes. I'm responding to questions about nutrition. I'm checking on you if I see that you're not taking rest days. You know, I realize that my role as a coach, my role as a coach may have you perceiving me to be somebody who does not struggle or have temptation. And that is completely false. So I thought I'd share with you a couple things that I struggle with today. Number one, nutrition is definitely my hardest part. I fail to drink water during the day and sometimes drink 4 to 5 cups of coffee. Yes, you heard it, 4 to 5. And water's hard for me to get in. I do drink water or recovery drink while I work out. But after that, you won't see water in my hand. Now, this is a huge change from when I did Les Mills Pump last year. I had water in my hand all day long. And I am indeed seeing some major differences from my experience with Les Mills Pump, which landed me on that infomercial, the results which landed me on the infomercial, and Les Mills Combat, where I'm feeling a little bit softer. So, nutrition is my hard part too. I love chocolate chips. I'm not a big cookie, cake, brownie person, but if I have a bag of chocolate chips in the house, it's a problem, and they have to be semi-sweet or dark. I have a problem with popcorn. And not with popcorn itself, but with the Parmesan cheese that I put on it. I have a problem eating late at night. My family goes to bed, and I am a night owl in order to get in some work. And I will find myself nibbling, sometimes even on a bowl of cereal. Now, it's cashy with almond milk, but you know what, guys? It really doesn't make a difference. So I do struggle in the nutritional area, and I can see how that has shown itself to be true with some changes that I'm seeing in my body that I'm not really pleased with. You know, like you struggling maybe with some I don't like the word self-esteem, but I'm going to use it because I know that you may understand it. But some self-esteem issues that I may have is that while you are seeing muscle definition in my lower body, it's just definitely not as tight as it was last year. And I also, just like many mamas, I have that loose skin. I do. I really, you know what? Here you go. I do have that. Oh, you can't. You know what? Right now I'm showing that to you and you're like, no, you don't. I do. I really do. I lean over and I have that loose skin as well. And that bugs me. Am I going to do anything about that loose skin? There's products on the market to help me with the loose skin, or there's cosmetic surgery, or, you know, whatever. No, I'm not. No. My whole point of view is on internal health. When I started, I wanted to look better. But what I found very quickly was that more importantly than looking better, I felt better up here. I felt better in here. I can run more with my kids. I have more energy. I'm in a better mood. I'm stronger. I can lift. There's so many things going on internally that, you know what, I really don't care about the loose skin. I don't care. Now, I'm saying that to you because those are words that I have to tell myself because I'm a woman. And of course, I'm like, oh, do I look fat in this? Oh, is my skin hanging out? Of course, I struggle with that. But I know too much of the truth now, and the truth is that it doesn't matter. because the health changes that are happening internally inside my body, those are the ones that will last. I'm not walking on a runway in a bathing suit. I'm not going to be on the cover of a magazine or in some sort of fitness magazine. That's not the goal. The goal is overall health. My whole motto is fitness for the body and for the soul. So I struggle with things too. I struggle with food. I struggle with how I look down here. I struggle with, wow, last year I looked like that and now I look like this. Oh no, am I blowing all the work that I did? I have those same thoughts that you guys do. However, I don't speak to myself in that voice. I refuse to. I don't let my eyes roam in places that are going to cause me to question my abilities and to question my successes. We can do that by looking at magazines. We can do that by seeing products that are on television that are going to help us. You know, even talk shows. Every day there is some new product that is going to help you. I think the most recent thing going on is ketones, something with ketones. I don't know. There's always something, and if you continue to look to those things, you're gonna devalue what you're doing here in this challenge group. You're doing what our body's intended to do. You're exercising with the vessel that you were given on this earth. You are exercising, and now you are trying to also implement wonderful nutritional choices, the way food was intended to be. So, I struggle with food. I struggle with how I look. I struggle with stuff too. That's why we're here together, and I really do hope this is making a difference not only in your physical life, but also in the way that you manage those thoughts that invade you and want to devalue your success, because they're a big fat lie. Bye.